Just a quick video here for you guys. 2000 Honda CRV for you first generation guys. 97 to 2001. How to change the air filter. There's a parts master that I'm swapping in. Part number is 66388. In case you guys want to know, picked it up from Piston Ring. You can probably pick it up from other places if you guys are in the States, AutoZone, NAPA, whatever. Here, locate the box right here. You have two clips. Unclip, unclip. Lift. Push to the back. Lift up and out. Here's the old filter. Hasn't changed in a while, since way before I bought this thing. It's toast. In case you guys want the actual NAPA part number, 6388, exact same thing. While you're in here, make sure to clean out all this debris and junk. You're in here, you might as well vacuum it out. Try not to blow anything in here, just put a rag right here. Grab a new filter. Slap it in. Grab your cover. Make sure it is on the silicone boot all the way. There's a little bit of a push to get her in there. There she goes. At the back you have these two little feet on either side. They must go under that little clip there. Push back and down. Clip in. Clip in. Good to go. Hope that helps somebody. Don't forget to check out this video here. Check out the video up here. Subscribe right there. And until next time, cheers.